إن الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى أهله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فالسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. So inshallah today we are going to be continuing with the account setup. In the last class we discussed all the things we needed to set up our delivery business, and for this class we are going to be proceeding with the first thing, which is the account setup. So for the accounts that we are going to be setting up today, inshallah, we are going to be setting our WhatsApp business account, and the reason we are choosing business account is because the business account has some features that the normal WhatsApp does not have, and so we'll be opting for the WhatsApp business account. Thereafter, we would also be setting up a WhatsApp group. So we need at least one person to be added to the group, and this group is going to be for all our e-commerce clients. So you can use your spouse or your friend, or if you have another number you can use that other number. So, and the last one we are going to be setting up is the Telegram account. So the subsequent videos we will be explaining the other accounts and how to set them up, but for this video these are the three we are going to be setting up. So the first one is the WhatsApp business. So for WhatsApp business, you need to have the WhatsApp business app on your phone to be able to set it up. So all you need to do is go to Play Store and download WhatsApp business. If you are using an iPhone, the same thing applies. You just search for WhatsApp business and you download it and you install it on your phone. So I have a phone emulator on my system, so I'm going to be using that phone emulator to explain how we are going to go about it. So this is how the WhatsApp will look like on your phone. So this is how mine looks like now. So the first thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be setting up the profile setup for the account. So click on these three dots here and then you come to settings. So when you come to settings, upon setting up your account, it will ask you the name of your business. So in my case, I've called the name of my business Quick Delivery Services, and it's also going to ask you for the category of your business. So the category we are using is cargo and freight logistics. So, and I've set up those two. So you are going to have to set those two up. So this is what I'm saying. You can see this is Quick Delivery Services, and we have cargo and freight company. So those are the two things you need to set up. After you've added your number, just the way you set up your normal WhatsApp, so it's going to ask you for the name of your business. So you just call your business whatever you want to call it. I only chose Quick. If your own business is Castech Delivery Service, use Castech. Whatever it is that you want to use for your brand, just use that name and go. And the category is going to be cargo and freight company. So once that is done, the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be inputting the description for the business. So for the description for the business, I've actually made a document on it, so I'm going to share that document with you, inshallah. So it's that document is, so this is the WhatsApp business description. So you just copy it. So we deliver fast shipping of your products anywhere around Lagos. So you need to bear in mind that if your location is not Lagos, then you definitely have to change it to any location. Maybe it's Abuja or Port Harcourt or any other location. You would have to change it to the appropriate location. So once you are done with that, you just click on save. So once you are done saving that, the next thing is we are going to set up our website. So the website, for now you don't have a website, but I'm going to show you how you are going to set up your website. You know, we mentioned it in the structure earlier, so I'm just going to use my delivery business name, delivery.com.ng. So this is the name of my website. So I'm going to be showing you how to get that website. So once you are done setting up these three, 1, 2 and 3, and your initial information, the next thing we need to set up is our profile image. Now for the profile image, we are going to have to design it on Canva. So I'm going to head to Canva and I'm going to show you how we are going to design it. It's very, very simple, and you just need to follow the instructions. Don't try to be creative about it. Just follow the instruction, and this is just something you need to do and leave. It's not something that you want to use to start learning design, so don't waste your time on it. So you're just going to head to Canva, canva.com. So if you have the total reach, you should be able to have access to the Canva Pro. So once you get to canva.com, so you just search for Instagram post. So what we are looking for is Instagram post that is square. You can see there's Instagram post portrait and there's Instagram post square. So it is this square we want to use. So you click on the Instagram post square. So once it's done loading, what we want to do is we want to use a blank post. Create a blank Instagram post. So once it's done creating it, so the next thing we are going to do is we are going to search for delivery. So we search for delivery. So when you search for delivery, it's going to give you many nice designs for delivery business. You can see lots of delivery business designs. You can see lots of them. So all you need is just to pick one of them. So I'm just going to pick one of them and I'll proceed. So let me just pick this one. So once you pick it, all you just need to do is, if there's logo there, delete the logo. You don't need to bother yourself about a logo now. Leave logo. All you just need to do is just edit this design basically. So for me, my delivery is quick delivery. So I'm just going to change, instead of free, I'll just change it to quick delivery. So then the next information I'll need is how they will contact me. So I can just input my phone number there. So let's say my phone number is this. Okay, let's say this is my phone number. So I'll just input this phone number and I'll copy it. So I'll just copy it. So, and you can just call us now. Now input this phone number. It's just, I can make this one bold and I can change the color to something maybe like this gold. I think that's basically all I need to change. So I just need to change these other details. So the description we use for our WhatsApp is what I'll just use here. We deliver fast shipping of your products anywhere around Lagos. So, and there will be other now. Sure, our website is the same website we have used before. So, and our phone number is the number we have. So the website is going to be www.quickdelivery.com.ng. As for the phone number, I will just input it. 9454. Yeah. So, and as for this we don't need this for now, so just leave it. Just take it away. So and we have our design set. You can see that the design has been set up and without any wasting of time. So the next thing we are going to be designing is that we are going to be also duplicating this same design and we're going to be making another version, and we're going to be using that for our products. And that's basically what we need to do there, is just to write the locations in the state we deliver to. So for example, let's say Yaba is a location in Lagos, so you can say Yaba delivery. Do you understand? And I can just make this a bit bigger, something like that. That's it. So Yaba delivery. You can see I'm not changing anything much. So I'll do the same thing. I'll duplicate it again and I'll write another location. So I'm not changing any other thing other than the locations. I can write Ikeja delivery. So I'll do that for like 3 or more other locations and I would continue with the video. So I've completed the design. So you can see I did Aja, Ikeja, Yaba delivery and all those other locations. So it's basically that same design. I didn't do anything much out of it. The only thing that I remember that I changed was that I changed these colors. Now I didn't put it in the ones for the location other than this first one. So other than that, that's the only thing that I think was different from the initial design I did. So what I'm just trying to say in essence is just keep it simple as possible. Don't waste time on it. It didn't take me up to 5 minutes to do all of this, and don't let it take more than that for you. Just change the text. Don't say you want to use this color or anything. Forget about that for now. Just change the text and go. So once you are done with all of this, what we are going to do is we are going to export it. So you click on download. So be sure to make sure that this is in PNG. If it's not in PNG, make sure you change it to PNG. You just need to click on it to change it to whatever you like. Make sure it's in PNG. Sometimes you might see it in MP4, so change it to PNG, and it's going to be all the 5 pages, and you click on download. So I'm just going to download it and download. So once I'm done downloading it, I'll need to extract it. If you are using your phone too, you'll be able to extract it on your phone too. So if you just click on the zipped file, it will ask you if you want to extract it, and then you can extract it. So the same thing applies to me too. I'm going to right click on it to extract it. So I'll extract it. So I have my files already there. These are all the files. Okay. So now that I'm done doing that, the next thing is we are going to go back to our WhatsApp. So this is our WhatsApp. So we are going to change our profile picture. We'll come to gallery and we'll select from our gallery. So we choose the main one, the quick delivery. So we'll make it cover the top part. So the same thing with our, so that's the back cover picture. So the same thing with our profile picture too. We are going to do that. So you can see that the cover picture here it has quick delivery in it. So and the same thing with this one too. So then thereafter, it's like the website I added the other time, it didn't save, and the category, so I would need to do that too again. So I'll click on the category. Just as I've said, the category we want to choose is cargo. So once you search for cargo, you see cargo and freight. So once you are done with that, you just click on this X, go back, and you click on save. So I don't know why it didn't. So everything has shown up back. So it might just be a bug. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add our product. So what we want to add to the products are the different locations and the cost for those locations. So such that anybody that has contact with us on WhatsApp, the person will be able to say, okay, this is the price range we charge right off the bat, and they'll be able to see that, okay, we are a serious business. So I'll click the plus icon and I'll add an image. I'll go to my gallery. So I can start with Aja. I will add it to it. So one image is fine. So then for the name of the item, this is Aja delivery. So I can just write Aja delivery. So the price for Aja, maybe you charge 4-5 for that. So this price is not specific. It depends on your location, how close you are to that location that you are delivering to. And the cheaper your rates are, the more they are likely to like you. So just try to be considerate and think of something that works, that is okay for you and okay for them. So that's basically it. So once we are done with this, so just for the description, we're going to write delivery to Aja. So that's basically it. So we save it. So once you save it, it will add that product to your item. You can see it has added it. So you can see it has this icon. This icon means that WhatsApp will have to approve your product. So after maybe 24 hours, they are going to approve it. So we'll do the same thing for other locations. So now I'm done with all the 4 setups. So once we are done with the setup, after about 24 hours, we should have it approved. So we'll be able to see everything here too. So it might take a while for it to load. Or if I go back and I come back here, maybe we'll see it. So you can see my DP is showing what we do. So anybody that comes here will be able to see Okay, you can see it's already there. So it's taking a while to load there. But once it's approved, you see everything here. So once we have that set up, so we have set up our WhatsApp business account for the delivery business. Anyone that sees this will know that okay, this is a serious business and they will be able to deal with you professionally. So the second thing we need to do is that we need to set up our WhatsApp group. Just as I said before, the essence of this WhatsApp group is to have all your clients in one place. So we are going to be having any new e-commerce business that wants to work with us, we'll add them to the group. So what we'll be doing is going to be a way of sharing information, sharing insights, and warming them up all the time. So they will always remember us and they will always want to give us jobs. So what we're going to do that is we're going to go back again. So when you're in this chat, so if you're in any other session, maybe you were in tools before anyway, you need to come back to chats. So when you come to chats, you are now going to click on this three icon and you select new group. So this new group, I'll just select this as just select a contact. So it can be anybody. So you just select one contact from your contact list and then then you create the group. So the name of the group is going to be Quick Delivery Service. You now call it General. So this is what we are going to call it. For the DP of the group, we are also going to be using the one for our normal quick delivery service. So, and that's this. So you click on done. So and thereafter you continue. So this is the group. So this is the group where you'll be giving them general information. So all the general information you need to tell them, all the things you need to pass across to them on a general level, you'll be passing it across. So subsequently, when we start discussing about how you are going to be setting up your systems, we are going to be creating a group for each of the e-commerce brands. But this one is just to always engage them. So when we get there, I'm going to explain a lot more, inshallah. So with this, we have done all we need to do with WhatsApp. We said we are going to be setting up the WhatsApp business account, and also we are going to be setting up the WhatsApp group. So we have done both of them. So the next thing we need to set up is the Telegram. So for us to set up the Telegram, we are just going to go to Telegram. The process is the same. You are going to have to go to your Play Store and download Telegram app. So once you download the Telegram app, it will require you to sign in with your phone number. So you sign in with your phone number, and once you are done signing in with your phone number, you would be able to access this interface similar to what I have here. Now, if you have an existing Telegram account and you don't want to use that Telegram account for your delivery business, what you can do is you come to these three sites on your Telegram account, you click this arrow down and you click on add account. So it will prompt you to add the information for the account, and that way you'll be able to set up a new account with a new number for your Telegram, if that's what you want to do for your Telegram account. So when you set it up, it's going to ask you for your name. So when I was setting it up, it asked me for my name, and that's why I used Quick Delivery Service, and this is the number I used to register it. So basically I'm done with that setup now. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to set it up to look a bit more professional, and for us to do that, we are just going to click on my profile. So when you click on my profile, the first thing you want to do is want to change the profile image. So and to do that, you click on these three dots to the right and you click set profile picture. So we are going to use this quick delivery. So this is what we are going to use for it. So you can see it has already edited it. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to edit our bio. So which is edit, click on edit info. So if you wanted to use your old account and just wanted to change it, you just change the name here. So and if it's a new account, you would have already set it up before. The second thing is your bio. It's asking us to write about ourselves. So the bio here is the information we add on WhatsApp. Same one, we just paste it. We deliver fast shipping of your products anywhere around Lagos. I've said it before, if you are not in Lagos, use the location you are. So after that, you tick this. So once it's ticked, so you have your Telegram account set up. So just as I've said earlier on, we have our WhatsApp business account. We've set it up. We've been able to get the description and the services which we inputted as the product. Then we were able to set up our WhatsApp group, and we've been able to set up our Telegram for the business. So the next thing is, if you have an existing account, how do you manipulate? If you have an existing account and you want to use that same number in your existing WhatsApp account to set up your WhatsApp business, you will need to log out of your old account and then download WhatsApp business and log in. So with that, you'll be able to use that same number as WhatsApp business. So another thing is that if you have an existing WhatsApp business account and that's the account you want to use, you can just easily change the details of that your WhatsApp business and then use it for the purpose you intend. So that's about that. And as for you, what you have to do now is that first you are going to set up your WhatsApp account, just as we have mentioned. Bear in mind that what we intend by WhatsApp account is WhatsApp business account. So thereafter, you are going to also set up your Telegram account, and you're also going to create your WhatsApp group for your business. So once you are done setting this up, you let us know on the group and you share it on the group, inshallah, on the Telegram group, such that we can check what you've done and we can advise accordingly. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood than said, and He forgives us our shortcomings. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.